Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha. Today we'll be preparing chicken bread ball. As you all know, I've started my Ramzan series on Instagram and as well as on YouTube. So please stay tuned, and I've listed all the ingredients in the description. I've taken shredded chicken here. I've boiled about 4 to 5 pieces of boneless chicken and shredded that. And I've added half capsicum finely chopped. And I'll be adding half onion. And finally I'll add 1 chopped green chilli. You can skip green chilli and you can add chili powder according to your choice. And if you like my recipe, do share it with your family, friends. And if you're trying my recipe, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I'm just mixing all the ingredients well. Now we'll add the dry spices. I've added 1/4 spoon of garam masala, salt as per taste, pepper powder 1/4 spoon, and finally we'll add cumin powder. I've dry roasted the cumin and I'm adding it here. You can also add normal cumin powder, no problem, but this would give some additional taste, some additional flavor. Now again I'm combining all the spices well with the veggies and chicken. And one last ingredient left is curd. I'm adding curd 1 tablespoon to give it extra flavor, and also to make sure all the ingredients are combined really well. So I'm just mixing that to ensure we get a good texture and it's combined well. Now we'll just subscribe to our channel, hit that bell notification on so that every time I post a new video you will be notified about it. I've taken slice of bread, dip that into water. I'll just remove the excess of water here as I'm dabbing. Just remove the excess of water, and we'll fill the chicken filling and we'll start to roll that. I'm folding all the corners of the bread and I'll give it a shape of a ball, and make sure there are no gaps and you've packed it really well. Now I'll coat it with semolina or sushi and deep fry this until we get a golden brown color so that it's crispy and tasty. So we've got the golden brown color here after deep frying, and chicken bread ball are ready now. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.